I really enjoy camping. And I really enjoy having a travel trailer. You know, one of the things that really sucks about having a travel trailer? What the hell do you do with a spare tire? I'm working with Bunker Industries on this, and they gave me a spare tire mount that mounts on the trailer, and we're going to try this out. So, stay tuned.
Let's get started. I'm Hunter with Swamp Fox Overland.
My name's Rich with Swamp Fox Overland.
For you. The Shanty Chef Trophy. We're overlanding.
We are Swamp Fox Overland and Outdoor.
So let's talk about something that's not really intriguing, but it drives me insane. This is where my spare tire lives when I'm at camp. And it has no place to live other than what you already saw inside the trailer when we're traveling. So what do? Simple. I was actually really excited to get this care package from Bunker Industries, right? This is a spare tire mount, and it mounts to the front of your trailer tongue. And honestly, it's not used for anything else other than towing your trailer, but there's empty space there. It's time to use it, and I'm tired of carrying that thing inside the trailer and tripping over it when I need to get in there when we're not planned to be at camp. And so it's time to stop being annoyed. Let's see what's in this box. Seems sturdy. And another box. You ever have one of those times as a kid when you feel like you're getting punked and it's like, oh, there's a box inside a box, and now there's a box inside another box? This is not one of those times. So here, very evident, very simple, you have a spare tire mount that seems pretty sturdy. I'd imagine that that's a mounting plate. And then a bunch of hardware. That went well.
I wonder if he can find everything. Oh, look. Yeah, he did.
Now that I've fixed my mistake, right? We've got the base. We've got the plate, the mounting plate. We've got the 4 mounting bolts. We have the 2 bolts, and this is what your spare tire actually goes into, one of which has a spot for this lock so that no one steals your tire, because people suck. And then you have 2 lug nuts that go to hold your spare tire on, 4 lock nuts with nylon, and then 4 washers. Pretty simple here. One thing that's very important to remember, and it's easy to figure out, for the mounting plate, look at the bolt holes. That matches the mounting plate on this side. 2, then 1, or 4, then 2, and then that side is going to be your spare tire. We use power tools in these here parts. Your first step is to put the plates together, and you're going to take those 4 bolts and then these 17 millimeter lock washers and put them on together. My suggestion is that the bolts go in where the head is on the outside, and then make sure you choose the side that is not next to your breakaway trailer control, your breakaway brakes. Deep sockets are probably recommended here because of the size of them. Or you could use a wrench, but we're not doing that. This is what it looks like before you tighten everything down. Just goes over the rail here. Then you've got these bits. So you just need a wrench for the head and then a socket for this. Tighten them down. Also, in case you're wondering, that bolt head is also a 17. Tighten these down. And then, once you finally get to the point where you can torque them down, make sure that you do torque these down like you would a tire. So go in an X configuration and make sure that everything stays tight. Last thing you want to do is actually mount your tire and then you lose it because you forget to torque the dang bolts. Now you remember that tire? Time to put this up. These bolts have a few holes because it's made to be able to switch configurations. For this, I have a 5-bolt bolt pattern, so just line up whatever makes sense. You may have a couple tries to get this right. An idea is to be able to get one bolt in and kind of put a bolt down just so it doesn't move, and now you can play with it without having to work so hard. Now you can kind of rotate it to see where that's going to make sense. Like there's a bolt hole right there. Boop. Now I know where I'm supposed to be. Oops.
He seems to be having a time with his hands today.
And now you'll just tighten those up and make sure that they aren't going anywhere. Also super lucky for me, these are 22 millimeter, so they actually are the same that are on my Colorado. Tight. I ain't going nowhere. Remember that bolt lock? Well, it goes right there. How about that?
And now, it was time for some rigorous testing. That doesn't seem to be going anywhere. And more testing. Don't that look pretty?
Bunker Industries spare tire mount trailer. I like it. It's strong, it's sturdy, it looks great, and it's non-intrusive, right? Like it's made to be a simple install that makes your life a little bit easier, right? Excited for that. Excited for my spare tire not to be in the trailer. So we'll review this thing a little bit later, maybe a year down the road, just to make sure. But honestly, thanks, Bunker. I appreciate y'all.
We'd really like to thank Fieryred and Bunker Industries for providing this mount that will make our life that much easier. So we hope that you like it, and the link is in the description. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this episode. If you like what we're doing out here, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell to be reminded that we're out here. And, as always, we are Swamp Fox Overland and Outdoor. Until next time,